Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Regions online banking. Secure account access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type Regions. Comment to the address bar and press enter. Confirm the website address is correct and shows the secure lock icon. Click the login button on the top right of the Regions homepage. Select online banking from the login options if prompted. Click inside the online ID field. Enter your Regions online ID exactly as you created it. Click inside the password field. Enter your password carefully with correct capitalization. If you are on a private device, consider checking Remember Online ID only if you are comfortable. Do not select any Remember options when using a public or shared computer. Double-check that no one can see your screen before continuing. Click the Login button to submit your credentials. If Regions asks for extra verification, choose how you want to receive the code. Select Text Message if your phone number is on file and available. Select Email if you can safely access your email account. Select Phone Call if you prefer a voice code. Enter the verification code exactly as received. Click Continue or Verify to complete the security step. If you see a prompt to trust the device, choose Trust only on your personal device. Review the account dashboard to confirm you are successfully logged in. For extra safety, open the Security Center or Profile settings if available. Turn on alerts for login activity and account changes when possible. Avoid logging in from public Wi-Fi and use a trusted network when you can. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Online ID or Password and follow the recovery steps. Create a strong new password and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. If the login fails repeatedly, wait briefly and try again to prevent lockouts. When finished, click Log Out to end your session securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.